Okay, I'm looking at an issue with a Magimix G10 toaster. The latch was not staying down. I've taken off the side cover. There's two Torque 10 screws behind the two glass panels on the side and three Phillips head screws that hold the base of it, the cover down. And then you need to pull the knob off. Unfortunately, the knob's got a little plastic clip that holds it in place, and it's really hard to get that off without breaking the clip, but that's not a showstopper. The issue I'm seeing has to do with the small clip on the side, or this is actually a little latch. Right now it's in the right position, but if you lift up on this guy, see it pops down, and then the little arm that was holding it in place comes down and goes kind of behind it. Now when you push down to the bottom latch, let's see if I can get in there and see. Now it won't latch because, yeah, it's going to be hard for you to see it in there. Anyway, it won't latch because that black plastic arm now is in a down position and it won't clip, so it won't hold. Now, if I pull this up and put this back in place and let that arm down, now you can see that the latch will latch properly. It's got to have power because it's got a magnetic solenoid that holds the latch in place. But you can see now there's something for it to grip on. You can see it just popped in place. So that's the issue with this one. Again, I don't know if this piece is just loose or has worn to the point where it'll fall down and then you can't get it to latch again. But if you lift up on this knob like this at the very top of the throat, that's what's going to happen. And then you'll be stuck and it won't latch at all. And you'll have to take it apart and reset it. So that's what's wrong with this one. Just probably worn parts. Really nice toaster. Looks like it's just getting old. Unfortunately, I don't think you can get anything but the heating elements for this. So the fix is to put that back in place. We'll take this knob out. We'll put the side panel back on. It should work and be able to toast for a while. But now we know what it is, so it's easy to take it apart and fix that, or at least reset that if we need to. Okay, I put the side panel back on this Magimix G10 toaster, and let's just see if this works. I went ahead and plugged it in, so now with that upper, or the black latch mechanism in the correct position, let's see if it'll hold. There we go. It's on, lights are on, and we got heat. That looks good. Like I say, if for some reason that little black latch goes out of position, now you can easily take the knob out and the side panel off and reset it. Okay, one last comment on this repair. Since that black latch that's attached to the piece that moves up and down inside the toaster seems to be able to latch in the wrong position when you lift this knob higher than it is right now. This is the top position it gets to when it's released, but you can actually move it up another ½ inch, and then that black latch in the back pops open and down and then is stuck there. Now I suspect that latch is either the spring is worn or the latch itself is worn somehow and maybe it moves too far. So since you can't get any parts for this, the best we can do is what we've done is resetting it. But just be careful, don't lift up the knob beyond its upper position and you won't have this issue. But if you do, you can just take it apart and get in there and just reset it.